What is karst topography? Karst topography refers to a unique type of landscape that is formed by the dissolution of soluble rocks, such as limestone, dolomite, and gypsum. It is characterized by various landforms and features created through the process of karstification. Why does karst topography form? Karstification occurs when water containing carbon dioxide, hot water from the atmosphere or soil comes into contact with soluble rocks. Over time, this water chemically reacts with the rocks, dissolving and eroding them. The dissolution process is most effective in limestone, which is primarily composed of calcium carbonate. As this soluble rock dissolves, distinctive landforms and features emerge. Here are some common examples: sinkholes, caves, springs, underground rivers and streams, karst tower spinnacles. Sinkholes of these are depressions or holes that form when the surface layer collapses due to the dissolution of underlying soluble rock. Sinkholes can vary in size, from small depressions to large, dramatic cavities. Caves are underground hollow spaces. Caves are formed by the dissolution and erosion of limestone or other soluble rocks. They can be simple chambers or extensive networks of interconnected passages. Springs. As water flows through the underground cavities of karst landscapes, it can resurface at certain points, creating springs. Springs often have abundant water and are an important source of fresh water. Underground rivers and streams of water in karst regions often flows through underground channels and conduits. These underground rivers and streams can emerge as springs or disappear underground again. Karst tower spinnacles of these are tall, steep limestone or dolomite structures that remain standing as the surrounding rock erodes. They can have unique shapes and are a distinct feature of some karst landscapes. Karst topography can be found in various parts of the world, including regions with abundant limestone deposits. It often exhibits a rugged and irregular surface, with a network of underground drainage systems. Karst landscapes are not only visually stunning but also have significant hydrological implications, as they can influence groundwater storage, flow patterns, and the formation of underground aquifers. Where does karstification occur? Karst topography forms through a geological process called karstification. It involves the dissolution and erosion of soluble rocks, primarily limestone, dolomite, and gypsum. Here's a breakdown of the process. Presence of soluble rocks. A karst topography typically develops in regions where there are extensive deposits of soluble rocks, especially limestone. Limestone is composed of calcium carbonate, which readily dissolves in water containing carbon dioxide, (COTWA). Carbonic acid formation. Rainwater absorbs COTWA from the atmosphere or soil, forming a weak carbonic acid, (topography). This acid is mildly acidic and capable of dissolving limestone. Water infiltration. Of the acidic rainwater infiltrates the ground, percolating through cracks, joints, and other openings in the soluble rock. Dissolution of limestone. As the slightly acidic water seeps through the rock, it reacts with and dissolves the calcium carbonate in the limestone. This process is known as chemical weathering. Over time, channels, cavities, and fractures develop as the rock dissolves. Formation of cavities and conduits. So continuous dissolution enlarges the openings, leading to the formation of cavities and conduits within the rock. These underground passages can range from small voids to extensive networks of interconnected tunnels. Surface collapse. As the underground cavities expand, the overlying rock layers may become unsupported, resulting in surface collapse. Sinkholes are formed when the surface layer collapses into the underground void. Karst features of the dissolution and erosion of soluble rock give rise to various karst features. These include sinkholes, caves, underground rivers and streams, disappearing streams, and karst towers. Karst topography can be found in various parts of the world. It is typically associated with regions where there are extensive deposits of soluble rocks, particularly limestone, dolomite, and gypsum. Here are some areas where karst topography is commonly found: the Balkans of the Dinaric Alps in the Balkan Peninsula, East Asia, karsts of Halin Bay in Vietnam, Hilan and Yangshu in China, and the islands of Krabi and Phan An Bay in Thailand. Southwestern China. Parts of southwestern China, including the provinces of Guizhou, Guangxi, and Yunnan. Western Balkans are the karst region of the Western Balkans, including areas of Slovenia, Croatia, and Bosnia and Herzegovina. These are just a few examples of regions with prominent karst topography. However, Karst landscapes can be found in many other parts of the world, depending on the presence of soluble rocks and the geological processes involved. Karst topography is of significant importance due to its unique features, geological processes, and various practical implications. Here are some key aspects highlighting the importance of karst topography. Water resources, tourism and recreation, disaster management. Overall, the importance of karst topography extends beyond its aesthetic appeal. It plays a vital role in water resources, supports unique ecosystems, holds cultural and historical value, offers recreational opportunities, presents challenges for land management, and provides a platform for scientific exploration and understanding. If you really like the video, so kindly like, share, and subscribe to the channel and comment for our appreciation. Thank you.